So how did you like the class?
I think it was fun. We were able to do a lot of stuff, and even though I want my group like from before back, but right now I think it's fine.
Okay, that's great. I really think that it was really informative, especially getting to use the 3D printer. I want to make like this really cool pencil holder, and hopefully I can give it to my mom at the end. But we got to work on it, do our 3D models and stuff. Do you have anything?
I was thinking about printing like reusable plates for the hot teas, which is I look up online and oh my god,
Oh, that's great.
they have so much cute designs
Mm-hmm.
where you can take from, and then one of them is like little cactus where the bottom is just the plates, and then the top is utensils where the cactus leaves are.
Okay, that sounds really interesting. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Oh, hey! What you doing?
I'm going to class.
Oh, you're going to class? Which
Yeah.
class?
Culinary class.
Oh, okay, great. I was just about to go there. Are you ready to go?
Yeah, let's
Awesome.
go. How's your family?
Oh, my family is great. We just went out to dinner the other night. We went to BBQs. How about you?
Oh, I went to Applebee's.
Oh, what did you have?
We have Western cuisine.